Why do I play my hand before the night is over? Breaking down, caving in. Don't know why, but now I'm blind, and somehow I feel you closer. This illusion is playing my mind. I keep running into patterns left behind by you. I feel like the walls are falling down, surrounding me. I feel like a healer that has found the remedy. Your gravity is holding me. Don't make me go back to before you. Before you. Before you. Your gravity is holding me. 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 Black or white, you decide. So give me your all or nothing. Fight or flight, I'm terrified. Oh, and though I try, it's in my eyes, but it's too hard to live this life. So purified, I'm redefined.